Happy half birthday.
Yeah. Here he is having his dinner. It's Sunday evening. Say wave. Here we are.
Say wave.
Open your mouth.
Yeah. There you go. Good job. Good job. Are you going to hate us when you get older? So what is that thing?
What's going on
thing? Yeah, what is that thing? Ooh, what's that mean? Can you say
That's
something?
the microwave.
Ah.
Means the baked potatoes are ready. So what?
His eyes are turning brown, huh? His eyes are turning brown.
His eyes aren't
Nearly as blue as they
quite as blue as they were for a while. And his hair's getting a little redder. Just a little.
And he's still white.
Still a pretty white kid.
So that's okay. That's okay. Play ball? Oh, come on. You were
Okay.
just doing it.
Ryan's had his dinner. Now it's time to play ball.
Go, play ball. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get that ball. Get it. Get it. Get it. You gonna eat the ball? Don't eat the ball. Don't eat the ball. Don't eat the ball.
He's gonna have the ball for dessert.
Get it. Get it. That's it. Get it. Get it. Get it. What is he doing over there with that?